Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. So today we are going to do a fundamental analysis on Oracle and get to know if Oracle Financial Services is worth our investment or not. So this is the website of Oracle. You can go through this and get to know more about this company. Now we move on to the screener website, and here we find that the ROCE oscillates between 35 till 37%, which is extremely good. Now if we look into the ROE, it is it oscillates between 24 and 26%, which is also very good, extremely good. The current market price is 3,870. Market cap is 33,471 crores. And if we look into the stock PE, it is 18.5. And if we look into the industry PE, it is 36.2. So it is much cheaper in comparison to the industry PE. And if we look into the promoters holding, it is 73%, and they have reduced their holding by a very minute amount of 0.01%. None of the shares are pledged for this company. The FII's holding is 7.44%, and the changes in FII's holding is 0.69%. The DII's holding is 8.53%, and they have reduced their stake by 0.64%. Now, if we look into the sales growth, it is 9.13. However, the profit growth for this year is in negative, that is minus 4.38%. However, if we look into the sales growth for last 5 years, it is 7.89%, and the sales growth for last 5 years is 4.71%. If we look into the EPS, then this stock of OFSS is creating 209 rupees for every shares. If we look into the operating profit margin, it is 40, it is humongous, it's quite high, and 43.4% is the operating profit margin. And if we look into the quick ratio, it is 6.55. Altman Z score is 9.22, extremely good. And if we look into the return over 1 month, it is 9.01%. Return over 1 week is 9.29%, and return over 1 day is 0.47%. So if we look into the face value is 5. The debt on this company is 0.01%, and it's very less. Interest coverage ratio is 204. So fundamentally the stock is looking extremely good, and the return on invested capital, it is giving you 26.1%. So, and the peg ratio is 2.35. Now let's move on to the beta of Oracle Financial Services and get to know how exactly is the beta. So we can see at the first instance, Oracle Financial Services is in extremely bullish state, and the beta is 0.78, which means that if the market will be moving by 1, it will be moving by 0.78%, and if it will fall, the market will fall, it will fall by 0.78%. Now if we look into the chart of prior to moving on to the chart, let's look into the fundamentals. What exactly is the score for this stock? It is 8 out of 10, and the earning is 2. The score of earning is 2, and the fundamentally it is extremely good stock. 10 out of 10 it has received. Relative valuation is 6, risk is 10, and price momentum is 8. Now let's move on to the chart of Oracle Financial Services, and we see that the volume is high in comparison to the other days. The volume was high on 16th of June, and it is forming a red candle over here on top, which specifies that it may fall for some time. I mean, it can fall, but and you see the RSI is 70, but which specifies that it is in a bullish state as of now. So until and unless it makes one decisive red candle over here, we cannot say anything about this company as of now. But let's look into the fair value for this stock. It is coming out to be 4007.57, which leaves a room of 3.6%, and the spread is between 2201 rupees till 4608 rupees. These are the pros of the companies. You can go through this and get to know more about this company. Thank you. In case you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you.